cell phone, and then he just took off.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
Where we're at? Like,
right,
where was he at?
Right outside our house. Right outside of the neighbor's house.
Are you sure he wasn't, like, just trying it out?
I don't know.
All I know is that it was loud as shit.
I was right there.
And I thought it was a fucking, like, chainsaw at first or a leaf blower or something. I was like, what is happening outside?
Me and Dylan were literally walking home, and it was right there. We didn't know it. We didn't hear them. And then all we know, we're, like, right next to the black truck, and they're, like, so, the black truck's here, which is Agnito's. Here's the end of his black truck. They're, like, right here, and me and Dylan are right at the end. Boom!
Oh, my God. Ignore all the watermarks, you guys. I'm filming 2 videos at once, and this is what I get for doing so. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So a few days ago, this really new company on Instagram, their name is Dream Dips. They have a Facebook and Facebook group as well. They messaged me and asked if they could send me a few of their powders to do a review for you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And it looks like they sent me way more than what we agreed upon, so that's awesome. And a cute little card, and it's an actual Hallmark card. I just love that. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm old-fashioned, so, like, Hallmark is just like my soul. We have this adorable card. Oh, it's in pink. Thank you so much for reviewing my products. Happy dipping, Michelle from Dream Dips. So the cool part about this, you guys, is that she's from Indiana. And those of you that follow me know that I'm also from Indiana. She's still, unfortunately, like 2.5 hours away. Trust me, I looked it up because when I saw that she was from Indiana, I was like, oh my God, what if she lives down the street and we can, like, be dip sisters? But no, she's still, like, 2.5 hours away. So, wow, she sent me extra. So, okay, I will obviously have her Etsy shop linked down below and her Instagram and her Facebook group, but let's go ahead and just see here. She allowed me to pick out 3 colors, which I did, which I'm assuming that's what these are. So looks like she sent me some extra samples. I don't know what this was supposed to be attached to, but I freaking love it. So I have no idea what this glitter is because I don't remember seeing this on her shop when I was looking. So I don't know if it's like something new she's doing, but holy shiznit, does it look gorgeous. Hold on a minute here. What is this? Is this like just loose glitter? Holy crap, that's gorgeous. You guys can't even see. But it's like rose gold and hollow and I don't know, it's beautiful though. And then this one too is a very pretty pink. Oh, this one I believe is on her shop. So I wonder where that glitter comes from. Because this one she has labeled, she has the color labeled here. So let me get this open. Okay, this one she has labeled as watermelon, which is a really pretty watermelon shade of pink. The name's perfect. And honestly, hello, right there. Do dips of this and sprinkle that on and girl, you are blinging. Okay, so this must be the 3 that I picked out, which was a trio she had on her website. Girl, I don't know what these little like tassel strings are, but it's freaking pretty. I'm like distracted by them. Okay. Ooh! Oh my God, her jars are cute. Okay, this must just be for like decoration. These were wrapped really well, you guys. Nothing is damaged, and she even has like tape on these to make sure they don't open. So I appreciate that. Look how cute. And let's take a look. Okay. Okay, these jars are adorable. So she has her name here, Dream Dips. Really cute. And then the name on the side too, Hubba Hubba. And I like how you did them in different colors. And then we have Hearts on Fire. And we have Armar. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not good at pronouncing names. Anyway, so I picked this trio because I thought it would be relevant to like Valentine's coming up. So we're going to take a look at these. Okay, so let's just open up and see what we have here. So this one is Hubba Hubba. Another baby pink. And I know you're thinking, Kayla, you have like so many baby pinks. But I love baby pinks, okay? This one is Hearts on Fire. Ooh. Oh, wow, that's neat. There's like red in there. It almost looks like black. We'll have to see when we swatch that, but it's dark. I like it. And then we have Armoire. Amour. Amour, is that like mi amor? Is that French? Sorry if I butchered that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, wow, it has like iridescent shimmer in there. It's like a baby pink, but then the glitter is so fairy-like. Wow, okay. Let's get into swatching these, shall we, and have a good close look at these. So the first one here is Hubba Hubba. Wow, dude. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to leave that section in because I don't know. I hope you guys heard that through the mic because I have a mic plugged in. So I don't know if that was loud enough for the mic to pick it up. I hope you heard it because I don't know what the fuck that was. I don't know what kind of machinery that was, but I swear it sounded like it came from one side of the road to the other side. It's over now. Okay, I'm sorry. Back to business. He started it back up. What is happening? Next one is Hearts on Fire. And now Amour. Okay, you guys, there's a lot of weird sounds going on outside. And this dude and his machine keeps going on and off. I don't know how well you can hear it, but I gotta continue because my kids will be coming home soon, so I gotta like just take advantage. Dude, that has got to be like some type of bike because he's going down the road with it. So anyway, I like kind of lost my train of thought. I only have one dip on here so far, but they do seem really smooth. Not that I was scared that they wouldn't be, but it is a review. And you know, sometimes people get it and sometimes they don't. Sometimes like colors, you guys know I love Sparkle & Co, for example, and it's not just them that does it. I'm just using them for an example. But sometimes they have powders that are a little bit harder to work with than others, and sometimes they just, I don't know what they do with their formula. But this so far is really nice and smooth and going well, and as you can see, it's pretty thin. And I'll even show you like the more chunkier glitter. It's still not going on wonky or anything. It's very smooth, and I really do love this. They're very pretty, and this one is unique. This is like a pinkish red, and it has red shimmers in there and some like darker shimmers. I'm gonna assume they're black. But yeah, we'll move on and I'll do the second layer. Okay, you guys, so here's the second dip of Amour, and I think I'm gonna leave it at 2 dips and clear cap because the glitter, I don't want it to get too thick, but so far it's doing really well and it has great coverage, so I think it'll be okay to clear cap this one. And here's what the second dip of Hubba Hubba looks like. And as you can see, it's not transparent at all on the second dip, so you probably don't even need a third dip of this. So that means her colors are really pigmented. My light is going to wash them out, but I'm going to try and hurry this section up so I can get outside and see them in the natural light. But yeah, I think it's really pigmented, and we're going to get on to go ahead and doing the third dip. Okay, excuse the god-awful lighting because my other light I'm going to let charge while I file these, but I wanted to show you them. So this is, wow, that lighting's awful, I'm so sorry. Okay, there's 3 layers of color on here and a layer of clear, and all I've done is activated, and as you can see, it's still pretty darn thin. So they went on really well. This glitter is just a little bit chunky, so I only did 2 of the color and a layer of clear over, and still looking good. And then I did 3 dips of this with clear and still looking good. So I'm going to let these activate, and then I'm going to file them, and we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, it's top coat time. And while I'm top coating, I'm going to let you know right now, these filed really easily. They're still really nice and smooth. And I think that these are awesome. So the audio quality is not going to be very good, but I'm going to try to hurry up and do this while I still have some type of daylight out here. Okay, but from the left is Hubba Hubba, and then Hearts on Fire in the middle, and then Amore on the right. And you guys, these are gorgeous. These are going to be beautiful for Valentine's Day, and I honestly can't wait to wear these. I think they went on really smooth, and they're very pigmented. They weren't sheer or anything. And I think they're gorgeous, you guys. So again, this is from Dream Dips. If you guys are interested in checking her out, I'll have all her information linked down below. And seriously, I appreciate you so much for sending this to me and letting me try and review your products, because I think these are stunning. She's really small, you guys, so seriously, and just the fact that she's a fellow Hoosier, like, hello. So if you want to support small companies, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Seriously, how pretty though. And those glitters in Amore is just stunning when the light hits it. Okay, you guys, I am out here freezing and there's so much background noise, but I wanted to just go ahead and film my outro really quick. Thank you so much, Dream Dips, for sending me these products. I think they're amazing. I can't wait to wear them. And you guys definitely make sure to check out her shop. I think that these are really good. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the colors. And if you could tell in the video how smooth they applied and how pigmented they are, I think they're all amazing. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.